For this week's assignment, you must have a calculator that is capable of doing an exponent that's higher than a 2. So I'm going to show you how to plug this in on several different types of calculators, and I'm going to start off with the TI-84. But I know that not everybody has it, so I do have some other options for you. So if you're using the TI calculators, you can just type it in like it looks. You've got 25. We need to do an open parenthesis. Well, that's right here above the 8. Click on that one. I would put 2 and close the parentheses. Now, in order to get an exponent that's not a 2, you are going to use this little up arrow right here. Now, I can hit this, and if you notice, it's going to turn into an exponent. Let me let this thing unfreeze. Okay, it'll turn into an exponent, and then I can plug in the number 10, and I am good to go. There's my answer. Now, if you have an Android phone, here's another option for you. So here's my phone. Whenever I change it to the other calculator that offers me some more options, now I can use the exponents. So I would do this the same way that I did it on the other calculator. I've got 25. It has a set of parentheses for me, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in there, close those parentheses, and then we need to bring it to that exponent. Well, here's what you would be looking for. X to the y power right there. When you do that, it looks different than the calculator, but if you plug in the number 10 and then close the parentheses, this is exactly what you wanted. And I can hit enter, and there's my answer. Okay. Now, I know not everybody also has an Android, so if you are using the iPhones, it is very, very similar. The only difference is that yours would be x to the y value right here. And let's say none of those work for you. So here's option 3. Go into my Canvas page. If you scroll down past the tree, you're going to see some calculator resource pages. There's some downloadable calculators. If those don't work for you, here's your last option, scientific calculators. Let's go to Desmos. Okay, so if I was using this calculator, I need to plug in 25 and then 2 to the 10th power. Still the same thing as all the others. You can plug this in exactly like it looks. So I would put 2, let's close that. To get the exponent, it looks like we would be doing this, a to the b power right there. That'll give me an exponent. I can plug in 10, and then I can hit enter. There's my answer.